Today I am watching Bitcoin. It has spiked more than 10%. The cryptocurrency sector has been under immense pressure due to regulatory headwinds and tax selling. I believe this has caused a capitulation of sentiment. I am looking to positive developments this year from crypto exchanges as supportive to the market in the coming months. Bitcoin has been bottoming out over the last week, $500 higher than the February low at $6,000. The 6,000 mark goes back to align with Bitcoin's breakout in November. There was now tremendous support here. Furthermore, Ethereum has used its own long-term support level at $375 to build a strong base. The sector is most bullish with these two working together. I believe this paves the way for Bitcoin to run back to 10,000 at minimum over the coming weeks. For Trading Nation, I'm Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.